Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I want to share a little happy mail with you. If you've been watching my videos or following me on social media, you already know that I am not in my craft lab and that I'm kind of working away from home. So I don't really have a lot to work with, and luckily I found an item on clearance from Mystic's Little Gifts that will give me something to do while I'm here. So before we get into the unboxing, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to this channel and turn your notifications on all so that you don't miss anything. Also, I wanted to share some of the new releases available in the shop over at Scrapcraftastic. I have this basic week on 2 pages that is cahier size, and it comes with 3 different font types. So I'm not sure those are gonna show up in the video, but yeah, you get 3 fonts included with that digital download. Also in the shop, I have 2 new planner basic sets. One is dot grid, the other is grid, and each one of them includes 15 sizes. So 15 of the popular sizes for disc bound, ring bound, and traveler's notebook. And all 15 sizes are listed, so you can make your own notebooks, your own grid inserts. All you have to do is download the file and print. And let me show you what the dot grid looks like. So this is the dot grid version, and both are using a 1/4 inch patterns, so a 1/4 inch grid and a 1/4 inch dot grid. And also with the dot grid you get 15 sizes. I also finally got around to adding this illustration that I did of a planner stack that I created at the beginning of the year. This is using the Arteza water brush pens, and it was just a quick little illustration I did. So it's available now for digital download. You can use it to decorate your planner for your dividers, your tab dividers, dashboards. And the last few things, this was a special request. It is a personal size printable insert, so it works for personal rings or personal traveler's notebook. It's blank, so it has space where you can fill in your own times and your own schedule. Then the boxes to the right are dot grid, so that you can turn them into whatever you need. There's also space at the bottom that's dot grid, and the space at the top where you can add the day of the week and the date. And you can use stamps for this. It's really a flexible insert as far as how you use it. And then we have the Springfest monthly printable. This is available also in classic size. This one is half letter. So if you haven't done April monthly yet, this is a great option. So you come over and check it out. This is what it looks like. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so that's it for the new items that I wanted to share that are available in the shop. Let's go on with the unboxing. So the package arrived today from Mystic's Little Gifts. She uses recyclable mailers. So this is what it looks like. And let's go ahead and open it up. Comes wrapped like this. So let me just show the first thing. So this is Winter. The leather is called Winter. It's a standard size with a reinforced spine. It's really a nice soft leather. Wow. Okay. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. Got card pockets. I guess I'll need to move the paper. Okay. So it's got slanted side pockets with the card slots. And yeah, it's really buttery. I thought this would be nice for spring. I'm not a blue person, but it seems like lately I have been somewhat drawn to blue. So I thought, well, let's give this a shot for spring. And this will give me something to do while I'm here. I can set this up and use it. Okay. It's really pretty. You see how the leathers look when she shows them, and she really tries to show them in the correct light so that you can get the right coloring. But actually having it in hand and being able to feel the leather and how nice it is really cool. It's really nice leather. Okay. Then this one, let's see what we have here. Ta-da! I don't remember the name of this leather, but this is what it looks like. It's like a rugged look, but it's soft like this. This might be a little softer actually. This feels a little heavier. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that while I'm here, but I was thinking of doing a setup of this one, and then this one would be in a giveaway. And this is a B6, by the way. So, and it feels so nice. I don't know. I might want to keep that for myself. Okay. So that is everything that I got from Mystic's Little Gifts. I will put the name of this leather in the description box below, and I do know that this one is winter. I will also link to the Mystic's Little Gift shop, and you can use my code Rachelle20 to save 20% off your order. So go check them out, and be sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can find out about the giveaway and watch as I set both of these up. And be sure to turn your notifications to all. And I know this video is a little all over the place. Sorry about that. But I also wanted to pop back in and say that I'm going to have a little giveaway for this video also. So please leave a comment below and let me know how your planning habits have changed during the crisis. And I will choose someone randomly to receive a free single page insert from my shop, meaning a weekly insert, a monthly insert, or a daily insert, something of that nature. So you will have your choice of those inserts. Just leave a comment below and I'll put all the information in the description box. And yeah, let me know how your planning has changed. That is going to be it for this quick little video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.